Good morning from me and my Optimist sweatshirt, because this is the attitude I'm trying to bring into this day. I had a 3-day weekend, I still don't feel like working. Oh my god. I truly do love living in this apartment, but it just is not quite right. Maybe I'll tell you a little bit more about it later today. But there are just multiple things in this apartment where it's just not right. They just don't work quite correctly. Everything is functional enough, but are they functioning correctly? Like, no, most of the time. For example, anytime our ice maker is on, it turns our entire freezer into like a crazy icy mess. Like, hello, all of this. It's so crazy. So we have to keep our ice maker off whenever we can. There we go. I think I'm gonna go with just some water to start off my morning. Not feeling like I want my chai yet, but maybe in like an hour. Connor ran out to grab coffee because he's all out of his K-pods. I'm loving the way these curtains are looking in here. Just really warm up the space. I really like them. And by the way, I showed these in my last vlog, but I didn't like shout them out. Look at these beautiful flowers that Connor got me for Valentine's Day. Like, how pretty are those? I love these little purple guys sticking out. They're just so gorgeous. So I put them right next to the TV. That way we could enjoy them, since we spend most of our time sitting right here on the couch. And by the way, couch update, I'm obsessed with our couch. It is seriously so comfortable, you guys. It's so hard to get off of at night when I'm just like all tucked in. It is just like comfy. I love how lived in it looks. I'm just a huge fan of the look of it. Look at this little peak that I have on the top of my head. Boop. Lunch today is a salad. I threw some leftover salmon that we had in there, as well as cucumber, corn, bell pepper. It's looking really yummy. And during lunch today, I'm going to watch This Is Us because I'm a whole week behind. There's a new one coming out tonight. So I need to watch the one from today so I'm caught up. I mean from today, from last week, so that I'm caught up for today. Hello, little cutie. Oh, I got purrs. Yep, straight up to the camera. Good girl. Love you. Well, I've just been powering through my work this afternoon. It is 5:30 now, and I'm about to hop on a call, a 5:30 p.m. call. Can you believe it? So late in the day, but it should be short, like no longer than a half hour, and then I just need to finish this vlog I'm working on, and then we can call it. I think I'm gonna try to get a workout in today though. I need to wash my hair, and then we get to relax, so maybe a couple more hours before the relaxation begins. I don't know if you guys can tell, but our lights are flickering. This is actually what I was talking about earlier when I was like, so many things in our home are not right. It's just like clearly new construction. I feel like it's pretty typical with places that are newer, is they're just not as well made, including our lights flickering sometimes. Our TV also randomly turns on with the outlet that it's in, I guess. I don't know exactly why that's happening, but that's a fun one too. It's like this light and our light in our hallway that I've noticed flickering, and actually in the office as well. Other things that are wrong with our place, our floors make a lot of noise when they're walked on, so we can hear our upstairs neighbor. Luckily, that doesn't really bother us too much. I don't think she's home a lot, and you know, it's really not that big of a deal, but it is another thing. Also, our shower, when you turn it on, makes weird whistling noise. It used to be like really loud screeching, but they came and fixed it. Now it's just a little whistle. So again, not so bad, but not quite right. I think that's like the theme of this, is nothing is that bad, but nothing is quite exactly right. Oh, also like both of our bathrooms have automatic sensors where when you walk in, the light turns on, but they won't turn off once they're turned on. Even if you press the button to turn it off, they will not turn off. So we just literally use the breaker and turn that off altogether, because there is still a switch in there that works without that. So that is just another random thing gone. I feel like now that we've lived here officially for a month, we have discovered quite a few of these little things, but it's nothing that really bothers us that much. We're still totally obsessed with our place, and our landlords have been really good. Like anytime that something has been broken or anything like that, they've been really quick to fix it, like same day or next day, which is really great. Molly cat, What did I tell you about being in or out? What are you doing? Why don't you go hang out with Connor? Come on. Connor wants to hang out with you. Yeah.
So I play with her for like any second I stop playing with her, she just immediately goes to sleep.
She's such a brat. So I haven't worked out since we moved, and really a couple weeks even before that, because it was just packing and moving madness. I felt like I was so exhausted all the time. And then work got crazy these past 2 weeks, and so didn't get around to it then either. And so today we are finally taking the plunge. Have to make it a priority. Look at. Oh, you guys can't see her. She's right up here. Come here. I mean, this is a look. Oh well, who cares? Okay, dinner time. We got Connor chopping. Chop chop. Got some bell pepper going there. I got some quinoa on the stove. I just finished seasoning our fish. We're making cod tonight, which honestly already smells amazing to me, even though it's literally raw. So that's how you know that I'm a psycho fish gal. Seasoned it up really well since cod is a really mild flavor, and just waiting for the oven to finish preheating. All right, bowl is complete and it looks amazing. I'm so excited for this. Connor has some wine in the decanter, so we'll get some nice red wine going. We'll was this a Sauv? No. Oh, Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yeah.
Cab Sav.
Cab Sav.
Cab Sav.
Go LYFT.
We couldn't find Molly anywhere, and excuse me, she's literally on top of this mattress. I have not been able to find where she's been hanging out for a couple of days, and I guarantee this is it. She's such a tree cat. She loves being up high.
Jungle Kitty.
Molly cat, what the hell
I knew
are you
you were
doing?
Jungle Kitty.
Psycho, oh my gosh. How do you get up there, Molly? How do you get down? Okay, good luck. Let us know if you need help. It's so cold. Well, that is it for today's vlog. Another very exciting day in the life of Jill and Connor.
Big day.
Big day. We watched a lot of The Alienists tonight, which was very good.
It was good.
I'm really liking
very
it.
Very spooky.
Oh, it's freaking me out.
Yeah, didn't expect a couple things. Let's just say the second episode.
It gets dork.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Now it's 11, so we had to be in bed, obviously.
There are things to do tomorrow.
I hate things.
Yeah, but at least it's Wednesday. Meaning the things are almost done.
You're getting there.
And then 1 week to your birthday.
Wow, yeah, almost my B-day. Well, that's it. I'm going to end the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. And I'll see